Hello, my name is Lee Coleman from Hughes Coleman Injury Lawyers. Today let's talk about what to know and do if you've been in a hit-and-run collision in Murfreesboro. If you've been injured, give us a call. We handle all types of car accident cases and we're here for you 24/7 at 800-800-4600. Now let's talk about hit-and-run collisions. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration data, fatalities in hit-and-run crashes increased by 26% in 2020. Many hit-and-run offenders fear the consequences of their actions and flee the scene due to a lack of insurance or knowing that their negligent actions were responsible for the collision. If you're involved in a hit-and-run collision, immediately call law enforcement and let them know the other vehicle has fled the scene. While you wait for help to arrive, begin taking photos of your vehicle, your injuries, and the scene of the accident. If you are able to see the license plate number of the car that hit you, write it down immediately so that the police can work to find the owner. If you are unable to get the license plate number, note the make and model of the car and anything else you can remember about the vehicle, such as bumper stickers or specific marks that may help the police in locating it and its owner. If there were any witnesses to the hit and run, get their names, their addresses, and their phone numbers. They may be able to corroborate your story and provide helpful testimony. After you leave the scene of the collision, be sure to seek medical treatment. That way you'll begin healing from your injuries and get those injuries documented in the medical records. We will need those medical records to prove to the insurance company how you were hurt. And finally, get an experienced personal injury attorney at Hughes Coleman. If you've been injured in a collision due to someone else's negligence, the law entitles you to compensation. This includes compensation for your current and future medical bills relating to the accident, your lost wages, your pain and suffering, and your property damage. An attorney can help maximize the value of your case and get you the most the law entitles you to. We can search for records or security footage of the hit and run to prove the negligent driver not only harmed you, but also fled the scene of the crime. Our team will deal with the insurance companies and handle negotiations so you don't have to. We'll seek compensation for your injuries, your medical bills, your lost wages, and your pain and suffering. If needed, we can work to get you medical appointments with doctors who can treat your injuries and help you get better along the way. We'll be by your side the entire way, answering questions and handling the legal work so you can focus on getting better. A hit-and-run collision can be scary, and getting justice for your injuries may prove difficult. If you've been injured in a hit-and-run collision, get Hughes Coleman and get it done. Call us today at 800-800-4600. We're here for you 24/7.